niggas no boo when I bring in this cage. You fuckers fucking gang affiliated with nothing but my name, man.
What is going on, Rodok29 coming at you with this CSGOBig.com video. If you want to try the site out, hit the little right here, and then I think you go to here. But before you do this, type raw, code raw. All right, get you an extra 5% on your deposit. I am pushing for my own case, which takes about 100,000 deposits, and I'm a little less than halfway there. So everybody who's been using the code, thank you, and let's get into it and win some money. Yeah, I just saw that. Got it big. This could be big. This could be a lot of things. Hey, Savage. Hi, Missy. Good to see you. Good morning. First case. Better be a good one, please. We need it. Big spin, big spin. Big spin! Butt plugs. All right, we could get another one. Got 4 more cases left. There it is already. It's okay. It's okay. Start with something small and with something big. There we go. Beautiful. 1,300. Good job. Put that in your bank. Buy some pizza. Oof. Oof. That's an L. Big W on the sugar rake race. Just want to say thank you. I think we ended up giving it all back though. Need that big. There we go. There we go. Come on now. This could be huge. Bro, this is just money. This is just money. It's like, bro. Okay. Okay. Bro, I told you I had to do some deep. Does that say 52,000? Does that say 50?
Like in Bangkok, never ever see me ever trip, but I live right. See me on the TV screaming, bitch, you a damn fraud. And you don't wanna fuck with a chicken like me.
Ooh, man.